Hello guys, another day, another keyboard from nuphy brand. I did review of keyboards from this brand in the past and it was always something pretty unique. So let's check today what we will have inside this box. As always from them some nice poster, right? Let me show you closer. So inside the box you will have a cable, switch and keycap puller and several spare switches. I suppose, no, it's a keycap, so it's a spare keycaps for maybe for Mac OS and keyboard itself, right? And we have aluminum case. Maybe half of the keyboard we have aluminum case. We have this standard adjustable feet, right? This is a Halo65 HE keyboard. My first impression was that this is a low-profile mechanical keyboard, but it's not. It's a normal, proper mechanical keyboard. On the back side we have a USB-C and we have a switch between M1, M2 and M3. And we will check what does it mean a little bit later. Okay, and according to the user manual, this is a Mac mode, Win mode and game mode, which is okay only for Windows. So we have a wired mechanical keyboard today, right? Let's check what we have as a keycaps. And as a keycaps we have a standard double shot PBT, not shine through. Pretty nice and bright as you may see, right? Okay, what about switches? And this is a Gatron mechanical or magnetic switch, right, which is super cool. You know that Gatron one of the best mechanical and magnetic switches on the market, so we have a pretty high quality keyboard today, guys. Under the switch we have a south facing RGB, which will allow you to use any other keycaps, maybe with a side printed legends if you like, for example gradient one. And we don't have any switch pad, which is a little bit sad. And we have a metal switch plate as always. And I forget to mention that we have a standard 68% mechanical keyboard with the arrow keys, with the function keys, and we have this gap. Sometimes you can have one more key, like Alt, Function and Control, right? Sometimes you have this gap. So if you're gonna to look for another case, for example for this keyboard, you need to think about it. Also, I can see we have a RGB line between aluminum top and plastic bottom shell of this keyboard, right? Which is pretty interesting. So it will be brightful in a dark environment. Okay, I'm really curious how this keyboard is sound because of all these mentioned features. So let's do a quick sound test. Okay, what I can say, this is one of the best sounding mechanical keyboard with the Hall effect and magnetic switches what I've tested over last 1.5 years. So if you're looking for the balance between gaming and typing, this one could be a really good choice. But let's check driver, pulling rate and gaming test. Okay guys, I don't know what we should expect as a pulling rate. Let's check. This is a keyboard inspector and let me type for some time. So guys, it's hard for me to say what exactly a pulling rate is, but most probably it's 8K. Just it's a little bit strange picture that we have so many data points starting from 0 to 8K, but most probably this is a 8K pulling rate. So what I can say about the driver, we have a key binding, we have a trigger settings, macro lighting, other modes, right? And yes, I was right, it's 8K pulling rate by default in the settings. From the switch point of view, we can have most probably different switches, Gatron, magnetic jade, and magnetic white. So this is Gatron magnetic jade, which is strange because it's orange, it's not green. Maybe some version of it. I have a Windows mod, you can see it right there. We have 1.5 actuation point and we have rapid trigger off. Let me repeat the test. No, it is good. It is good. Now gaming mode. You see this gaming. I don't know what does it mean. Let's do it by ourselves. So 0.5 actuation point and 0.32 rapid trigger. Right? I hope I don't need to save this. Okay, let's check. Yeah, you can see it's much better. So if you're looking for the really high performance gaming mechanical keyboard with 8K pulling rate, with actuation point, with rapid trigger, and by the way, it's pretty nice looking device if you're bored, if you're tired from all these plastic clones of 75% or even 60 or even 68% keyboards, which looks all the same. So this is as a fresh wave from the ocean with this not standard keycaps, little bit original according to this brand style, right? You have pretty bright full RGB from all sides. You have this switch, strange switch. I don't know how it works, but you have it, and most probably you can set something in settings. So if you're looking for the more unique than average 50 bucks keyboard, because this one is definitely more expensive, right? Check this out.